Hey guys, I wanted to hop on here real quick and kind of tell you some updates of things that have been going on in my life and what you guys should be expecting from me as an art creator moving forward. For a long time, I've been kind of posting willy-nilly, haven't really put any thought behind any of the content that I've been creating or the style of video that I've been posting. And I've kind of been making content on my channel passively without much thought. But recently, I've really kind of shifted in my kind of goal as an artist and as a content creator for art specifically. And what I mean is I've kind of always been just making like videos after I do a painting, and then I'll just kind of do a time lapse of the painting, and then I'll just kind of like, okay, whatever. And I kind of got into that, and I kind of got lazy. Now, a lot of things were happening in my life, like kids, house, like job, all kinds of stuff like that. But kind of beginning of the year, I gave up one of my biggest hobbies of the thing that was taking up the most time in my life, which is video games. I enjoy them way too much. And I got to thinking about it. I'm like, you know what? I'm not making any money doing this. I'm kind of wasting my time. And if I look back at the end of my life and I see the amount of hours that I put into this, am I going to be happy with myself looking at that? And I'm like, no, I'm not. So I want to take that time to really devote putting time into making really high-end tutorial videos, teaching people some of the things that I've learned over the 8 years plus at the recording of this video that I've learned. And so I've been really putting a lot of time into that and really making really high quality tutorials lately and posting every week. But moving forward, for the foreseeable future, I'm going to be going to a bi-weekly schedule. And here's the reason. Number one, we got a house that we're trying to build. And so we're going to be moving from this property out to a place that we bought in kind of a different area. And that's going to take a lot of my time. Number two, we got to get this house ready to sell, because we're going to sell this house. And for the time being that our new house is going to be built, we're going to be moved over into a kind of an apartment that I'm not going to have access to as much space as I have here, and I probably won't be able to make tutorials. So I'm going to be going to a bi-weekly schedule, and I'm not going to be able to be posting every week. But I have a shorts channel that I made, Kempter Shorts. The link for it's going to be in the description. If you want some of the more faster paced short form content, I'll be just making some stuff that I can post on a regular basis over there. But for this channel, I've removed all of my shorts. They're all on that channel. And if you want to see any of that content, it's over there. And also, I'm going to be posting my videos when I do get them created about a week early in the event that I do, because hopefully doing a bi-weekly schedule, I'll be able to kind of stock up on some videos and get kind of ahead of myself. That's kind of what I'm trying to do. So for now, I can like back up the schedule and start working on stuff so that I'm ahead of the schedule, so that when I do run out of time later on, once we get more into this building process, I'll be able to still maintain that bi-weekly schedule until I get settled in the new area. But if you want to see those videos early, I will be posting them a week early when I can, or as soon as I get the video done, I'll be posting them for members only. So if you want to become a member and see that, you can see that. And if you want to join the Discord or anything like that, you can join the Discord. Links in the description and everywhere else. So I just wanted to let you guys know kind of what's going to be going on in my life over the next year. And hopefully I'll be able to maintain a bi-weekly schedule to be able to post that much. But I really appreciate all you guys. And if you want me to make a specific tutorial based on something you want, put it in the description. I got no problem kind of putting that in my rotation, because I've planned out about 30 videos, drawing and painting tutorial videos that kind of link together and go with each other, so that I can be making some content for more than just painting audiences. And sometimes it's good to, as an artist, go back to a pencil sketch, because that'll teach you some of the more basic fundamental lessons. Sometimes it's easier to learn with a pencil. But anyway, I just want to let you guys know that's what's going on. So from now on, I'll be posting bi-weekly. And if you want to become a member, you can see the videos when they come out. So I guess I'll catch you next week, which is when my next tutorial is going to be dropping, which is basically how to paint 3D shapes, because I just did a video about how to draw 3D shapes, and now I'm going to be doing one about painting. So I guess I'll see you guys next Monday. But thank you guys for the love. Thank you guys for the subs, and appreciate all the support. Peace.